right side. That's good. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl Tameka. Happy Father's Day. It's currently Father's Day today. It's June 20th and right now still in Jamaica. We're at the RIU Ocho Rios. Right now I'm heading to breakfast, but I did get dressed. I have my swimsuit on because I might just eat breakfast and then head to the pool. Since I've been here, I have not been to the pool. Like, it's been so chaotic. But today we're gonna try and do that. So this is the bed. I think my little cover up, and then I have my swimsuit underneath here. But I'm gonna get some breakfast because it's me and Hayden. Jaden is still sleeping because him took up himself but him gone to club last night. Did not get back till like 4 o'clock. So I'll see you when I'm at breakfast. Let's go. Alright guys, so I was waiting on my cousin Ashley. Come on, let's go girl. Apparently everybody did already wake up. Yep. We're the late buggers.
Been through the fire, but still did shine. Rain couldn't drown me, dry design. Been through the fire, but still did shine.
Apple? You got an apple? Instant.
Next then closer, then bring the whatever left over, then bring it over here.
Alright. To grease the life off.
The French toast not bad. It just
Not bad.
It just cool.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm getting big you. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you coming to my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you.
Alright, warm up.
I will wait for you. Can you put the time on the rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. When you fall on me, when you call me, I come, but then you go again. With your dab, yeah, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning, running away to the light.
Alright, so here you're still in RIU Ocho Rios. Right, let's the seaside on this little cute swing here they have. Super cute. Weather is so beautiful. We love it. My cousin here, Ashley. So we're just chilling. It's pretty much the vibe. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Get yourself on vacation, guys. It's Louis. Over swing. I'm on them too high. It's a Lou. Nice. And I don't like it have too much seaweed because I don't like them seaweed. I don't like it. That's good. Alright, thanks Orville. Oh, I'm tired for swing. They panic wrong. My foot had diggy there, son. No, too much work. And that's what I tell you, no, too much work. Come push me. Give me a push. You a strong man. Try. The girl about me heavy. Yay! 175. Alright, that's good. Thank you. Oh gosh. Oh god. Thank you, girlie. Alright. Thanks, Orville. Oh, my foot. I'm tired. Wish I had my hat on. Okay, she's still in there? Alright. Thank you, Orville. That's right. We're outside.
You're on the
Outside,
beach.
yeah.
We're having fun. Where are you?
I know it. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? We're in Jamaica. Where are you? She said she don't. Alright, the sun coming out of the water. Oh, you made it. Oh, you made it. You make it. I want to get out there.
Before buy me, I had no choice.
Oh, you just buy it?
I said nobody asked me much beat. I beat up myself.
And the cover up too?
The girl was like, yeah, try to buy it up there.
And the cover up too?
Eh?
The cover up too?
Come on, me make
Oh.
come on, everything. The practice me, I said.
Wanna come see my camera? Guys, so it's hours later since you last saw me. I think we were at the beach. After that we had lunch, but it was just, you know, hectic. Anyway, we're ready now for dinner. We're gonna head downstairs and we can take outfit of the day. So this is the fit. I got this from Shein. I think it's Shein or Temu or Shein. I don't remember. But that's what it's giving. Yeah, super cute. And then we have these little heels. They're tiny, look like kitten heels. So we're about to head out. So you wanna get out with Eddie? No, oh, she's tired. She's tired tonight. Alright, so we're gonna head over right now and I'll see you at dinner. Alright, so now I'm at dinner. We're in at St. Anne's. I got some curry food, some fish, and veggie and rice. Listen, the option is like kind of limited. Like the food just not ready. I don't know, but it's well. I try to curry good and see how it is.
The chicken no bad.
Look up here, fat meat, take a put in on it. The rice tough.
Fish is nice.
The rice not too medium though. The fish tastes good.
You want to try?
Not try it.
Oh, you have it?
One.
Yeah. But you got chicken. The chicken no bad.
You think that you fried chicken?
But the fish fry. It's seasoned. I like it.
Huh? Huh? Oh. Come like that in person,
You made too much. Too strong.
Yeah, I hate the cheesecake. Hey, can I have?
Oh, good. How it tastes?
It's not bad.
It is.
It's good.
The cheesecake isn't bad. You want to try it?
cheesecake. I like cheesecake.
Why? But I like it.
That's your problem.
How did I get that trait?
I don't know.
What if the girl looks exactly like you? Huh?
I mean, that's what you're speaking really.
Mommy, what if the girl
get big?
A little bit.
Mommy, what if the girl looks
Mommy.
exactly like you?
I don't know. A little bit. A little bit.
Mommy. You want to try the red velvet cheesecake? Red velvet cheesecake, you want piece? I'll come in. I like it.
It's alright. Do you like it, Ashley? Eh?
Oh, it's good.
What I want is
It's not bad.
she has the cheesecake.
I'm not a fan of cheesecake, so the fact that it has more cheesecake than red velvet is what's throwing
Cheesecake one, eh?
50-50.
Yeah.
But this one is good. I really like this.
Yeah, I'm not a cheesecake person. I don't like cheesecake. Okay, guys. So
have all right.
I'm going on the street right now. I'm going to Devon House. Well, not Devon House, but we're going to go to this place where they have like Devon House. They sell Devon House ice cream. That's where we're going to check out. See if I find a Devon stout or ice cream cake or something. So yeah, once we hit the road. Some Devon House ice cream. We have the Devon stout. So good. We got our Dragon stout ice cream. And so Oh, good.
I knew it.
Oh, wow.
You couldn't remind me some of the earring missing. Everybody look for me crazy. I'm like, why are you looking at me?
I'm going to say that. Alright, guys, back at the hotel. Got Guinep. Already are you this? So, let's go on. Get me up. Guys, I'm back in my hotel room. So Father's Day has officially come to an end. Yeah, so this is where I'm gonna go ahead and close today's video out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy belated Father's Day, because you guys are seeing this after Father's Day. So happy belated Father's Day to all the dads out there. I hope you had an amazing day. And yeah, just continue doing the great work that you guys are doing, and we appreciate you and the kids appreciate you. Anyways, so today was pretty relaxing. It was a very relaxing day. That was intentional. Like, I did not want to be doing all sorts of crazy stuff. They wanted to go to Misty Mountain also, but we didn't end up doing that. So it was just a pretty chill day, and I appreciate that. I definitely needed the relaxation. Tomorrow I plan on going to the spa, getting a little massage, and just kind of mellow down back for go warm back. Right, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out. So until next time, go and big up on yourself, and don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and if you haven't yet subscribed, we are with one, go and go subscribe. All right, until then, go and big up on yourself. Later, bye.
This stays on my mind. This stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my basic feelings.